Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today I'm going to show you how I make labels from recycled bottles. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Okay, I start off with an old Pepsi bottle, just removing the tops and the bottoms. I do this with a pair of old kitchen scissors and cut down the middle of the bottle and remove the label. And then I just cut it into long strips. I make sure that they're about as thick as I want them, and then I cut them into long strips. And I do this for the rest of the bottle. I'm using an old bottom of a milk jug just to store them so that they don't end up all over my workbench. This is a great way of getting free labels and always having them on hand because I tend to run out of them quite quickly. Thanks for watching.